Okay. Can you put them in now? Have a race. Who can get them in first? Say, Daddy, you gotta shut the bottom.
Oh, we gotta start there.
Who can put them in first?
Ellie.
How many have you put in, Ellie?
One.
Oh, how many? One.
Two.
How many has Gabby put in?
6. Oh, you better hurry up, Ellie. Gabby's beating you.
Gabby wins!
Yay! Okay, look at. Say hi. Say hi to grandmas and grandpas.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma.
Say hi to aunts and uncles
Hi,
and friends and family.
Uncle.
Gabber, can you wave hi? Gabby, say hi.